Cumin has a warm, earthy flavor with a slightly nutty undertone. It's rich in antioxidants and aids in digestion and commonly used in curries, rice dishes, and spice blends in India.
Coriander is called dhania in Hindi. It refers to both the herb's fresh leaves and its seeds, which are used as a spice. The fresh leaves are often used as a garnish in dishes and have a bright, fresh flavor, while the seeds have a warm, slightly citrusy taste are commonly used in cooking and spice blends. People might say something like, add some dhania to the curry for extra flavor. Turmeric is called haldi in Hindi. Turmeric adds a vibrant color and earthy flavor to dishes. It's best known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Turmeric is commonly used as a natural dye in foods. Clove is called long in Hindi. Cloves have a strong, warm, and sweet aroma. It's used in spice blends, teas, and savory dishes. Clove also known for its analgesic and antiseptic properties. Cardamom is called elaichi in Hindi. Cardamom is aromatic with sweet and spicy notes. It's commonly used in desserts and a popular drink called chai or tea. Cardamom known to aid digestion and freshen breath. Chili pepper is called mirch in Hindi. It includes jalapenos, serranos, and Kashmiri chili. Chili pepper is measured in Scoville heat units, SHU, for intensity and is used in sauces, marinades, and to spice up dishes. Cinnamon is called dalchini in Hindi. Cinnamon is a fragrant spice derived from the bark of cinnamomum trees. It's widely used in both sweet and savory dishes. Asafoetida is called hing in Hindi. It has a pungent smell, often compared to garlic and onions, and is used as a seasoning in lentil dishes and curries. Most important, it's believed to aid in respiratory diseases and digestive problems. Saffron is called kesar in Hindi, bright red with golden threads. Its flavor is earthy and sweet, adding depth to dishes and is used essentially in risottos and paellas. Black pepper is called kali mirch in Hindi. Black pepper enhances the flavor of most dishes. It's used to sprinkle on salads, marinades, and cooked foods. Health benefits includes digestion and can improve nutrient absorption. Nutmeg is called jaifal in Hindi. It's a versatile spice used in sweet and savory dishes. Health benefits is mostly known for anti-inflammatory properties with a rich, warm, and slightly sweet flavor.
Do subscribe and comment how many prediction you got right.